Hello class, this is lesson 4.4, estimating an order of operation with decimal numbers. So this is a certified part of the lesson. I'm going to work through each problem here on the version I have. And again, your problems will be similar. They won't be exactly the same, but they will be similar. So hopefully this helps out. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So the first problem here, it says, consider the following sums. So this is number one over here on the right. It's my scratch paper. So I'm going to write this down first, 58.05. 48.6 and 4.19 addition. Now it says estimate the sum using rounded numbers. So we're going to round to the leftmost digit to the left. So we got 58. So I'm going to round to the tens digit. So it's going to become 60. This one will become 50. Now this one will become 4. So there's our estimate. So 4, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 114 is my estimate. Okay. Part two, find the actual sum, right? So I've already got it set up here. So I can go ahead and add these up. So 9 and 5 is 14. Carry the 1, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8, 16 and 4. That's 20. Carry the 2, 5, 6, 7, and 4 is 11. So 110.84. Notice the 114 is close, so I'm pretty confident with my answer, but I'm going to go ahead and check in my handy dandy calculator. 50.05 plus 48.6 plus 4.19. I get 110.84. So now I'm really confident. 110.84. Just make sure you don't type it, make a typo there, which I almost did. Okay. Problem number two, estimate the product using rounded numbers. So again, all right, so this just gives it to us a little bit different format, but we're going to do it the same exact way. So 65.4 times, this is the product, right? 0.11. All right, so again, we're going to round to the leftmost digit. So this would be 65. So this would become a 70. All right. And what do we do here? Well, to the leftmost digit. So this becomes 0.1. So 0, 7, 1 digit. So 7 is our estimate. All right, part two, find the actual product. So we come back over here and we'll do our work. So 1 times 4 is 4, 5 and 6, bring down to 0, 4, 5 and 6, 4, 9, 11, carry the 1, 7. We have 1, 2, 3 decimals behind, 1, 2, 3. 7.194, and our estimate was 7, so I'm pretty confident. But I'm still going to check in my handy dandy calculator, 65.4 times 0.11, 7.194. And it was positive and a positive, so it is a positive answer. All right. Number three, it says simplify the following expression using the order of operation. So we just got to be careful here as we work through this, right? So I'm going to scroll down and give me a blank sheet here. All right, so this is problem number 3. I'm going to rewrite this. So 5.3. So we got to be careful. That's a times 1.1 plus 1.2 parentheses 9.4 minus 9.2 divided by 2.3. All right, so order of operations. So let's take care of inside the parentheses first. So we're going to divide the 9.2 by the 2.3. 9.2 divided by 2.3 is 4. So let me rewrite this. I'm not going to do too much at once. All right, so now 9.4 minus 4 is 5.4. Now I'm going to distribute. So I can do these two multiplications together. So 5.3 times 1.1. I'm doing this on my calculator. 5.83 plus 1.2 times 5.4, 6.48. So add those together, plus 5.83, 12.31. And it said round your answer to the nearest hundredth if necessary. It's not because we have our answer, so 12.31. And there we go. So again, order of operations. Notice I did these one at a time. I did inside the parentheses first, did the division first, then I did the subtraction, then I did the multiplication, and then the addition. All right, so estimate the sum. All right, so this is problem number 4. So 27.04 plus 5.67. All right, so my estimate here to the leftmost digit, so 27, so that goes to 30. This will become a 6, so I get 36. That's my estimate. And then the actual sum, I'll come back over to my work. So 7 plus 4 is 11, carry the 1, 7. 5 plus 7 is 12, carry the 1, 32. So 36, that's pretty close, but I'm going to check in my calculator to make sure. 27.04 plus 5.67, 32.71. And again, so the estimating is really helpful to check your work, make sure that you're in the right ballpark. And sometimes you don't really, out in the real world, close enough helps. So you can get a good estimate. So. All right, problem number 5. Simplify the following expression using the order of operations. So let me scroll down to the next little page here, my work. I'm going to rewrite this first. So this is number 5. So I get 52.2 plus 31.32 divided by 5.4 times 5.2. All right, so left to right, right? So PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, left to right. So I'm going to work this left to right. So this would be 31.2 divided by 5.4 first, then multiply by the 5.2. So 31.32 divided by 5.4 is 5.8. So I did that in my calculator. I did not do that in my head. Plus 5.8 times 5.2. So now I'll do that multiplication, 5.8 times 5.2, 30.16. So now I got the 52.2 plus 30.16. Now I do the addition. I get 82.36. And again, I did use my calculator. Please do so. Your calculator is your friend. Just be careful with the order of operations, right? Left to right, multiplication, division. So I did the division first, then the multiplication. So there we go, 82.36. If you have any questions on this, please ask questions, and I will talk to you here in later.